Amid Sam Altman's return as CEO, OpenAI makes this ChatGPT feature free for all users.
It's been a long night for the team and we're hungry. How many 16-inch pizzas should I order for 778 people?
Amidst the recent developments surrounding the firing and subsequent reinstatement of Sam Altman as CEO of OpenAI, the company has made its new chat with voice feature available for free to all ChatGPT users. This means that even if a user is not paying ChatGPT Plus subscriber, they will still be able to use OpenAI's new ChatGPT feature, which allows for full-fledged conversations with the chatbot. In a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, the company announced that the ChatGPT with the voice is now available to all free users. Download the app on your phone and tap the headphones icon to start a new conversation. In the process, the demo shared by OpenAI playfully addresses the current situation at the company and states, "It's been a long night for the team and we're hungry. How many 16-inch pizzas should I order for 778 people?" ChatGPT then provides a detailed response, noting it would require 195 16-inch pizzas if 778 employees each consume 3 slices.
It's been a long night for the team and we're hungry. How many 16-inch pizzas should I order for 778 people?
For a large group of 778 people, assuming an average of 3 slices of pizza per person, and each 16-inch pizza provides around 12 slices, you'd need to order around 195 pizzas. This ensures everyone gets at least 3 slices. Would you like to know where to order from or anything else about organizing food for a large group?
Notably, OpenAI has an employee base of similar proportions, and the majority among them were the very individuals who threatened to walk out of OpenAI if the board did not rehire Sam Altman. With that said, Sam Altman has returned to his position as the CEO of OpenAI after a series of bizarre events. That was all in the video. If you need more information on this, do let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.